Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Oukitel OT11. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search, and now type in Edge and click search, and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click on skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, and then you can click not now. And now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, and you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.